I don't just buy and sell art. For me, it's all about the project. We have published more than 50 catalogs in 30 years. Each catalog goes with an exhibition in one of our 3 locations. Posters from our exhibitions decorate the hallway in the Paris Gallery. People always ask me, what do you like better, being a dealer or being a professor? It's like my left arm and my right arm. How can I choose? They are both part of who I am and how I run my business. We collaborate on innovative projects with people worldwide. Christopher de Hamel leading a walking tour of medieval Paris. André Jammes on photographs of medieval monuments. Azéma singing from one of our music manuscripts in the New York Gallery, opened 10 years ago. We sponsor a unique lending program, Manuscripts in the Curriculum, where students handle our manuscripts for a semester. Do you miss teaching? That's another question. No, I still teach every day.